Am I live? Hello, everyone! Happy Tuesday evening! Jackie here. So, gusto ko lang mag-drop by kasi madalas talaga akong ma-ask ng question na ito. Is your online business MLM or pyramid scheme? So today, I want to clear that up and explain it in the simplest way na kaya kong i-explain. So, MLM or multi-level marketing, legit ito na business actually, na model. And you sell real products or services. Tapos kumikita ka, hindi lang sa sales mo, kundi pati sa team na binubuo mo. Example na lang dyan, yung Avon, yung Mary Kay, ngayon yung Herbalife, mga MLM companies yan. Pero ang challenge sa MLM, usually kailangan mo talagang mag-recruit ng maraming tao sa business na yan para din makagastos ka monthly para sa product requirements or minsan mapipilitan ka talagang magbenta sa mga kaibigan and sa families mo. And doon, madalas, naiipit talaga yung tao kung sino yung may-ari ng business na yun. Now, ang pyramid scheme naman, totally iba at illegal kasi wala talagang real product dito or service na involved. So, puro recruitment lang talaga ng tao sa ilalim mo. And eventually, bumabagsak yan kasi wala namang value or product sa likod ng business mo. Kaya madalas ito yung pinapasara ng mga gobyerno kasi maraming nalulugi. Ngayon, let me share kung bakit malayo ang online business ko dito. But first, nakalimutan ko i-show ito. So this is my topic for today. Is my online business MLM or pyramid scheme? So let's stop this and why my online business is far from MLM or pyramid. So first is I don't chase people or because our automated system brings the right ones to me. So, una talaga, hindi ako naghahabol ng tao. Maraming tao ang lumalapit sa akin asking kung ano ba tong business na to. Lagi nilang madalas silang sinasabi is messages, how? Or I want to learn more. So, there's an automated system sa online and luckily we have this online technology, right? So it's actually a good thing kasi automated siya. So even though I'm busy with family, talagang umaandar pa rin siya. And minsan lang makaka-receive na lang ako ng email that I have leads. You wanna say hi? There you go. So, automated system lahat yan sa online. Yung mga interested, sila pa talaga mismo yung lumalapit sa akin. And pangalawa, let's show them the second one. Hide this and show this. Yes. What? You're okay? I love you. Pangalawa, we are legit and tax registered. Yes po. Legit at tax registered ang business structure namin and meron siyang real products, meron siyang video-based training, step-by-step training at mentorship na nagagamit ng mga tao like me but may mga benefits sila. You okay, Bob? Got cheese. Pangatlo, live na live tayo, guys. And then third, no monthly requirements or bugging family and friends. So wala kaming monthly products requirements dito o tinatawag nilang quota. Hindi ko rin kailangan bumili ng paulit-ulit or istorbuhin ang family ko and friends just to reach yung monthly requirements. Hindi ko kailangan yon. And then, labas na natin yung pang-apat. Pinagkaiba sa MLM and sa pyramid, it's global. I connect with people from Canada to the US to overseas. So, global siya. Nakaka-reach ako ng mga tao from Canada, US, kahit Philippines, Japan, hindi lang siya local sa local circle ko. So, ilabasin muna natin ito. So, instead of recruitment, focus kami sa value ng business namin. So you get the tools, you get the training, you get the mentorship, and a proven system na makakatulong sa'yo to build an actual online business. Kaya I'm confident to share this kasi alam kong legit siya at nakakatulong sa families like mine to create an extra income and more quality times. Kaya next time, pag may nagtatanong talaga sa akin kung MLM ba ito or pyramid scheme, I just smile and say, nope, this is the future of business. May flexible, automated, and designed to give families more options. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Siguro naka 5 minutes ako. Yun ang goal ko, 5 minutes lang para hindi kayo mabored. So thanks for tuning in. If you're curious to know more, keep following my page or send me a message anytime, and have a great night, everyone. Salamat!